this video, we show you how to rotate a table inside Microsoft Word. There are two ways you can do this. In the first method, open Microsoft Word on your PC or Mac. Open a blank document and create a table of your choice. Once done, navigate to the Layout option at the last of the ribbon options. Select Text Direction and ensure you have selected the table. There you have it. Your table contents have rotated. Next, if the first method was limiting, then the second method is for you. Same drill, open MS Word, open a doc with a table. Copy the contents of the table that you have. Now, once done, navigate to Insert and select Text Box. Now click on Draw Text Box. Size it according to your current table minimum. Now, once done, make sure the cursor is inside the text box that you have created. Paste the contents of the table inside the text box. All that is left to be done is to remove the overlay of the text box. To do that, select the text box and click on Shape Format. Now click on Shape Outline and select No Outline from the options. The outline will be gone. Now, lastly, to rotate the table, select the text box and a rotate icon will be displayed over the text box. Rotate the box to your liking, and there you have it. You have rotated the table inside MS Word. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.